Okay, hello everyone. I thought I'd take apart this Squire. It's a Squire 550. And I bought it on eBay knowing it was a bit dodgy. It was a fiver, I think, so I'm not too fussed. But two things told me it was a bit dodgy. One is you can actually see, and you get the focus, the levers all the way down touching the pin in the centre there. Probably not the ideal place for them. Secondly was the key, which is obviously not a Squire and is not bitted really correctly, I wouldn't have thought, for the four levers in there. But anyway, it works. So I've drilled out the pins, 5 at the front there, and this is what I found inside. Now, as you can see, the lug going through the levers has sheared off the backplate. So what I'm going to do is take these out one at a time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as you can see here, that should be in there. Looks like it was originally press fit, I would think. There's a hole there for it to... Let me refocus this. There we are. There's a hole there for it to go into, and I don't see any solder or anything, so I'm assuming it was press fit in there, and at some point it's been knocked out somehow, possibly by abusive key use. I will be taking this apart, cleaning it up, putting a plastic cover on the front, and using it as a demo. So we're all cleaned up. Predominantly cleaned up using wire brush and an oily rag, and that's basically all it was. Just to prove that this key does not fit this lock, I have put all the levers back in as they should be, and it gets that far. It's open at the moment. I'm just trying to lock it, obviously, and it gets halfway and does not work. So they were obviously forcing it round previously, and it only worked because the internals were broken. Okay, not quite sure how this worked because I'm going to chop and change these videos around a bit, but all cleaned up as I said before. And here's the internals. So take the top off, and there it is, nice and shiny. As I say, I didn't do too much to it. Actually, it's a lovely little lock. It's beautifully done, nice and clean. I love the style, I love the way it's built. It's really just amazingly simple. That's basically it, really. Nothing hugely exciting about that. I'll take the levers out and show you something on that in a little bit. Right, so I said we'd have a quick look at the internals separated out. So as you can see, the main body is actually made up of three pieces if you include the front cover. Let me grab the front cover for you. So front cover, which is made of 2 pieces. You can see the keyhole surround plate is sort of crimped in with 3 points there, and so that's the front cover. The main body itself, if I just take the shackle off, curved, obviously, slightly spring tensioned, and has the ends rolled over. Really simple design, that. And then you just clip it over one, right, and it goes down, and obviously these 2 pins here provide it with a little bit of support, but they don't actually touch it specifically. It can move quite freely there. So that now fits in there. So the levers, interestingly, they are numbered 1, 2, 3 and 4. This isn't the order they go in, this is the order of the bitting. Interestingly, the 1 and 2 are stamped from looking top down. 3 and 4 are stamped looking bottom up. I don't know whether there's importance in that, but anyway, so as you can see, bitting 1 is a very short at the top, then 2 is next, then 3, and then 4. I'll put them all back together again, and hopefully put a perspex front on it. I'll cut this around, so hopefully this will be the last thing you see, and you'll have seen the internals all put together halfway through.